Okay, today we are going to be reviewing this Nespresso Aeroccino 4. This is, I guess they had a previous Aeroccino milk frother, so this is only the milk frother. Has nothing to do with coffee. We have our own coffee machine, but this is just a milk frother. On the website, it says it is $119 with 3 out of 5 stars. We personally give this a 5 out of 5 stars. I love this product. That's why I'm doing a review. We got it for our coffee station here. We love coffee. So one of our problems was we could not get the milk to froth using our DeLonghi machine like they do at the at your local Starbucks or your local coffee shop. So I found this machine and I bought it for Eric for Christmas. Okay, so it comes with a couple of different things. It comes with a clear lid and a seal, which comes off easily for easy cleaning, which I love. It comes with this whisk for all preparations. I love this whisk because when I first saw this machine, I was like, oh, it's going to be a nightmare cleaning that whisk. But it comes off and it's like a seal. So let me see, I got like some water in here, but like it does not come off. So that's great. Like it literally is like a magnet. So easy. And then it comes with the Aeroccino itself. The bottom container, apparently this comes off, but I have never taken this off. And the base. The base is, I love it because it is very easy to read. The different types of milks that you can do with this is a cold macchiato type milk. So if you just want cold foam milk, you use this one. It's the blue color, which is great. It's easy read. Hot milk would be number 8. So if you just want warm milk or hot milk, you get this. Bam. And then if you want sort of like a cappuccino type of milk, warm and airy foam milk, you do this one. And then if you want a latte type of milk, a denser milk, you use this button here. So very easy, plug and play. I didn't even have to read these instructions and I was able to figure it out. So that is a plus for that. Okay, so I'm going to froth the milk. Okay, some things that the website says is for foaming the milk, you want very cold milk. If you freeze your milk will not foam, ladies and gentlemen, so be aware. If you use low-fat milk, it's not also as frothy as you would like it. So you want something with fat content like your whole milk. It says to shake your milk well before you put it in here. So we will start doing that. There's 2 different levels of milk that you can put in here. So the first one is if you want foamy milk. The second level is just if you want your warm milk and it doesn't do any frothing. So I'm going to have some froth because I have some espressos. I want some cappuccino or latte or whatnot. So let me get the milk. They say to shake it. Okay, I'm shaking it. I'm putting it to the first little indicator here. Very easy. Pouring some milk. Okay, it doesn't take that much milk to pour in. So here we go. What I like is that this is clear so you can see your milk frothing. I love that. All right, and one thing that I really love about this is that it's so quiet. So you just press it and you leave, versus the other milk frothers that I've seen. You have to sit there and shake it and make sure it froths, and it just does not froth the way that it does at the Starbucks. Also, it's very quiet, so you will hear, bam. You can't even hear anything. Nope, barely can hear anything. Doesn't take this long. It doesn't take that long. We're not speeding the video up. We're going to see how long it takes. Once this light stops flashing, that indicates that your milk is ready. So I, in the morning, have other stuff to do, so I go do that, and very quickly it's done. So I'll come back and it's ready. So here we go. Okay, let's go, let's go. We're gonna have delicious coffee. I don't know if Eric will be able to join me, but we'll see if he makes an appearance today. Okay, so it's almost done. The milk is frothing, it's warming up. There it is. Not that long, it really didn't take that long. You grab it and you pour it out. Look at how creamy and delicious this milk is. I look like I'm a professional barista, people. I've even started to learn how to make little shapes. Just kidding. That will be next month. But yes, so look at this. Outstanding. So what I do next is I just pour some warm water in here, shake it up, and just have I take this thing out, pour some water in, it gets clean. It really doesn't take that much effort to clean out, which is wonderful. Unlike that little thing there, the this frother, it just, I have to take it out, clean, it's just one big mess, and it's just so difficult. And this looks great on our counter over there. We usually have it like right here. It looks sexy, it looks sleek, it just looks great. Everybody asks us about it. Oh, disclaimer, Nespresso is not paying us for this commercial. This is not, and we're not being endorsed by them. We just really love this frother. So here we go. One delicious cup of coffee with Nespresso foam milk. Good morning.